Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, Volume 12 from June. I'm on day 25, so I'm actually getting towards the finish line, and I've used up so much stash, it's been fab. So let me show you this sketch. This is by Karen Adams Kidwell, and let's see. This is kind of nice because you can do absolutely whatever with it. We've got a big block, kind of a title block, embellishments on a diagonal, and then a visual triangle. Well, I guess this sketch by Karen, I don't know. Is that part of the triangle? I don't know. Anywho, very easy to use, especially with scraps, and I'm loving that idea. 3x5 photo, 3x5. I have a 3x4. Do you? It'll all work out. So let me show you what I have. I have got a kit from the Scrap Room. It is a Bella Boulevard kit and it's all Spell on You. So it's Halloween. It's so cute. I love Halloween scrapbooking because everything is just fun and whimsical. And clearly, scraps will not be my problem. My problem may be a full-size sheet of paper. So, yep, it looks like I'm going to go through my previous kits and see if there is a full-size piece of cardstock that will match. Black or white is totally preferred. And if not, I'll just grab a piece of white cardstock. Now, embellishments. I've got this sticker sheet. It is a doohickey sticker sheet, and it is the cutest freaking thing. Looks like I only used a couple of pieces when I designed with it before. I have got the large part of this Bella Pop. I used these other little bits, but I didn't use the pumpkin last year. Interesting. And then, I've got lots of the die cut ephemera stuff. I can totally work with something with that. These are scraps. They made their way in there. So I've got that. I mean, look at the little ghosty and the cutest little witch. Look at that, so cute. So I have that. Oh, and then what was I showing you? I've got some of the little enamel bits too, and they are adorable and they add that little shine. Love that. Okay. Those are my embellishments. That's that. I showed you my sketch. What's next? Oh, I've got a throwback photo. I decided to do a couple throwbacks because I was just feeling the mood. So this is my youngest daughter, clearly a lot younger, and she had painted this pumpkin, and I thought she did a very fine job, and there we go. So very cute, little Halloween-y, yet still pretty. You see she's sitting with mums on my front porch. It's all great. Actually, what else do I see there? Oh, looks like tomatoes that I was growing out there at the time. All right, so that's what we have there. Now, let me go find a piece of paper. Oh, and guys, you know I'm trying to do wood veneer or my acrylics with every layout and flare. And I went into my fall/Halloween flare. I have a lot of fall/Halloween flare. And I found these and I thought it was so cute. Look at the little pumpkin and the cute little mummy. So I thought that matched incredibly well. And my flare is from Scrappin Happy Studio. So I'll be bringing that in, but that's after we get our whole design thing going. That may be the element that I use to kind of kickstart these stars, but I would do like 1, 2, 3 maybe, like a little triangle with them. We'll see. Who knows? All right, I'm going to find a piece of paper. I'm going to mat my photo on a piece of white cardstock. Nope, not big enough. Oh, wait, is this one big enough? Let's see. Yes, on a piece of scrap white cardstock and cut out my pieces, and I'll meet you right back here. So I just found a piece of textured black cardstock, which is absolutely perfect in one of my prior kits. And I'm looking at the sketch, and there's a block about maybe this big towards the center, but I'm trying to use as much product as I can. So I'm going to kind of go a little larger. The photo is to hang off a bit. Okay. And I did go ahead and mat that. Now let's see what we can do with these pretties. There's another really cute block over here, like a 3x5 photo. So I'm looking to see what pattern I'm vibing on for that. This is so awesome, guys. This kit is the cutest. There's all of, oh, look at how pretty that is. Guys, you can use this for anything, but I'm looking at this It's a little busy against this, but the little white scullies are perfect. And I'm gonna do a total mimicking of like a 3x4 photo with, it's probably like 3¼ by 4¼ just to mimic my photo because I think it would look cute in a sketch. And quite frankly, I want to use it. See, so that looks cute. Okay. The little Scully is freaking hilarious. Now, what I was wondering is if I put this around it, though, would it break it up from that other piece? And I think it will. So I'm going to mat that, and I'm going to mat my photo, if I have enough, with this same paper. That would be cute. And then I need like a bar across paper. I think I can use this for this piece that's supposed to go across because it reads as a solid. And then is there another one that reads as a solid? That might feel a little busy. I'll decide. The black and white is pretty, guys, I have a lot of this. The black and white is pretty awesome to use as an additional stripe. All right, I'm gonna pick between these for those 2 bars that go across. I'm gonna get everything stuck down and I'll meet you back here. So I've got the base of this done and I think it's super cute. I'm gonna definitely have to really pump this up because there's not a lot going on. So looking at this, I wish my little pumpkin was facing that way, but you know, we use what, ooh, guys, look at this big piece. So I can have this big house piece popped up. That would totally take care of that need. Oh, and I did decide to use this gorgeous like tone on tone aqua paper. I thought it would be perfect for our needs. Just grabbing this. This isn't super sticky, so I'll be able to move it around a little bit. Our title is supposed to be on this aqua line. So I'm gonna make sure that I have a nice embellishment there. I love these little bits, guys. Oh, and let's look at our flare to make sure that we get, this was I think she created, was this part of this whole Halloween collection that she did with paper and all of this? All right, that cute little guy has got to be here. So this is going to be offsetting that one. I think that would be super cute. And then if we did the other one, all right, I have one there. I need to be able to make sure to get a cute little visual triangle out of these orange guys. So I have this setup going, that one, so there we go. So that's how this whole thing is gonna go. So what else do we have in here? I've got this cute little RIP with a little owl. I can put another owl up here to connect my title and that piece. Clearly we can do a cloud. What else do we have? Oh, those are just scraps hanging out in there. Want to make sure to use as many of these little bits as I can. Look at these little boots. They're hilarious. Okay. Well, I've got a cute little bat. What's this? Oh, you ghosty. He barely shows up. He would be really cute above that house. I might still have to use him because he is kind of fluttering above the house. Oh, and then we've got these, let's see, I'm gonna have him, this little bat, go over the cloud. And then we've got these itty bitty little bits. These are the ones that I like to just kind of have fluttering around my stuff. And I have a feeling I won't be killing this kit, so it's okay if I have a couple of pieces left over. It's totally fine. But I can, look at this funny little, the scale is off, but that's so darn cute. Is there something else I'm gonna put over there? I don't know. For now, I'm gonna put that there. And I'm gonna put this to the side because I'm pretty satisfied with that. Do I want more flare? I always want more flare. Okay. I have one there with the pumpkin. This one has this cute little walking mummy, but the mummy's walking this way. So I'll probably incorporate it there. And then, should I have a cute little witchy girl because of her? I think so. Cute little witchy girl. And there's the adhesive little dots already there. So I'm like, okay, I'll just use what I've got. And we're going to somehow incorporate all of that, and it'll be cute. It'll be cute. All right, I'm gonna put my Flair to the side because we're good there. Whew. Now what else? What do we all want to use? You know what? I can use this orange scallop piece. They're not kiss cut well, which means they weren't cut really well. So I'm gonna get an X-Acto knife. I'm gonna go ahead and put that under here. It's gonna break up those patterns. I thought that would be super cute. And I might do another one here, which is gonna help to connect these two pieces. All right, and now a title. Guys, there's so many things I wanna put on here. Oh, just a little spooky greeting to wish you a happy trick-or-treating. That's so cute. But I would need to be able to run that all the way across. I'm not doing that with my design. It's so cute. So cute. Okay, I want to get all of these pieces down, but I'm going to do things like put these pieces on, right? I'm going to definitely have the arrow. I'm going to have down here. I already know that from just the vibe of it. And I've got a nice little piece of foam just sitting on my desk so we can get that going. Boop. That's gonna totally be part of that cluster. Good times is gonna happen. So guys, I have a ton of these pieces on. Like for example, the good times is going in this direction, which there's so much green down here. Maybe I should put it up in this one. Not gonna stick it down till we have that big decision. Ooh, I love these photo corners. They may be a little gigantic for my photo though. Let's see. No, I'm going to use the photo corners too. I'm very excited. I'm going to get all these pieces down. I'm going to go at it with the sticker sheet, guys. I'm going to get as much as I can on here. I think my title will be My Pumpkin because that would be cute because it's my daughter. And then I'll come back and then we're going to see what other little goodies we can get on our bingo sheet or from our bingo sheet. I'm not doing bingo down across all of that. My intention is to just use whatever stash I can and it'll be great. Okay, I'll be right back. Give me a sec. So let's see what we can do with a fancy bingo card. I still have my little epoxy guys to look at. They're just on my desk in case there's a bigger piece I want to put on, then I can still put those around it. All right, multi-photo is a no. I do have star. Is this kind of a star? Wait, there's a star. There are 2 stars. I have stickers. Enamel dots, I'll have these little guys in a second. Did not do any fussy cutting. Guys, what problem am I having with this piece? There we go. Okay, so did not do fussy cutting. No pattern paper. That's only right there. Wood veneer. So the wood veneer / acrylics are like this thing I'm doing. I don't know if I have any acrylics that would work. Got a white geotag. I bet I could do a white geotag. And guys, I know that's not a wood veneer before somebody comes at me. But what I was doing this month is like, let me go after these specific wood veneer I have or these specific acrylics. So in my made up little rule world, totally works. And it'll go on there and it shall be grand. Where did I decide to put the, oh, by my title. I thought that would be cute. Let's go ahead and do that. Kind of want it up slightly higher. There we go. Let me get some of that extra. Oh, if I go right in half, do I like that? Well, that's where I want it. Okay. Circles. I've got my Flair. Numbers. Are there any numbers on here? No, not super numbery. That's what I've learned. Double border. I double bordered my photo. That's about it. Sequins. Let's see. In the little sequins that I had pulled out, I was just seeing if there's any little bits of them that will work. I mean, my colors are pretty specific that are on here. Nope, those are beautiful, but too bright. Well, I could use a couple of these little tiny yellow ones. I'm gonna leave that out. These are sequins from Shimmer's Paints. Let's see. Okay, I'll put that back. What all is in here? These are all these things. Oh, these are my random enamel dots too that I wanted to start using. Oh, I didn't even realize I had chipboard right there. Very useful. Okay, let me keep going. So sequins, I will deal with that in a moment. Single photo, chipboard. I just saw chipboard. We just talked about it. Don't know if anything will work. I can do a 3-1, but I don't have any other silver. There's a lot of silver on here, so it just isn't what I was looking for. So yeah, that's not gonna happen. No vellum, nope. I have Flair. My title is not pre-made. No rainbow, Florals. There are no florals on here. Huh. I end up putting florals on everything. That's amazing. All right, and then for puffies, I'm gonna get some of these on. You guys, I've been working hard at getting through these puffies. Are any of the colors bright enough? I'm gonna put in some of the black ones. So I'm gonna put in some sequins. I'm gonna put on some of these puffies in the darker color and these bits, and I'll show you my finished layout. All right, I added just a couple of those little yellow sequins, and guys, they were just enough, even though they were from, gosh, I mean, look at how bright this set is. It's probably a little summer collection, but guys, you can take out a couple little sequins and they look so cute. Just a little something, something, right? So that is my layout. That was fun to get sketch number 20. Excuse me, sketch number 25 done. Can you believe I didn't use my Bella Pops before? Because they're one of my very favorite things from Bella. Got my cute little Halloween flare in and a cute little memory documented. So that is what I have. I will have still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.